We're diving into the world of Nothing and their latest innovation, the Nothing Phone 2A. Before we get into all the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any future tech updates. What sets the Nothing Phone 2A apart from the rest? Well, first off, let's talk design. Nothing has always been about minimalism and sleek aesthetics, and this phone is no exception. The surfaces are warm to the touch, and at 190 grams and 8.5 mm thick, it's easily pocketed and manageable with one hand. The IP Fight4 water and dust resistance is also welcome. The rear cover and chassis are polycarbonate, but the rear attracts a lot of fingerprints. The chassis has a pleasing grippy texture and a metal-like finish with its smooth edges, but the polycarbonate rear panel does have a hollow, obviously plastic sound when you tap it. Call it representative of the price. The thing to understand is that it ends up not matter if it feels expensive. Since the design is modern and unusual, it looks and feels different from anything else apart from the Nothing Phone 2. It comes in two color variants, black and an attractive milk variant, which is quite impressive with a black button. It's a treat for the eyes. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 2A packs a powerful punch. It's equipped with the latest MediaTek processor Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset. Nothing claims its new chipset brings an 18% boost in performance over Phone 1 and its Snapdragon 778G Plus while drawing 16% less power. With Nothing OS 2.5 on top of Android 14, the base has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The higher tier has 12 gigs of RAM and 256GB storage, ensuring smooth performance and effortless multitasking. This phone can handle everything, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go. The flat display has a pre-applied plastic protector on top with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. It has a 120Hz screen refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Its 2K resolution is sharp. It feels responsive, bright and colorful. There's also a punch-hole 32-megapixel selfie camera, just like on the Nothing Phone 2, with the in-display fingerprint scanner. Talk about the rear camera. The Nothing Phone 2K main cameras are a 50 megapixels f1.8 101.56-inch sensor, wide angle with OIS, and a 50 megapixels f2.2 12.76-inch sensor, fixed focus, ultra wide. The good thing is that there's still plenty of detail and texture in images, but it has a problem focusing when you get portrait shots. Selfies are also great. The portrait effect looks good, with accuracy, but there's plenty of consistency between the main and wide-angle cameras. The disappointing low-light performance is understandable at this price. In my opinion, the camera is just fine. Now, let's address one of the most important concerns: battery life. Nothing understands how crucial it is to keep your device powered throughout the day. That's why the Nothing Phone 2A features a pack with the biggest battery among its peers at 5000 mAh. It recharges at up to 45 watts and can go to 50% in 23 minutes and 100% in 59 minutes. Nothing says the battery will retain 90% of its capacity after 1,000 charging cycles or over 3 years of daily use. That keeps you going all day long, even with heavy usage. Also, the Nothing Phone 2A does not have wireless charging. Let's not forget the glyph lights. Nothing Phone brand's signature, the LED lighting system on the back of the Phone 2A. Just 3 zones around the cameras, but they can light up when notifications arrive, when a timer is running to visualize it winding down, when adjusting the volume, or even when music is playing. After 2 generations of Nothing phones, I'll admit this feature is still gimmicky, but it's fun and different and has potential. The glyph integrates with Uber and your calendar to provide time-based alerts and syncs to music playing through your phone. You don't get the battery charge indicator, and the lights aren't quite so intense or intricate as the Nothing Phone 2's, but they still get the job done. So there you have it, folks. Nothing Phone 2A has Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5, hugely customizable, from using a variety of special widgets created by Nothing to switching the app icons to a minimalist Nothing style. It's somewhat successful, although if you're used to recognizing app icons by color, it takes some adjustment. I like the AI wallpaper option where a full image is used on the lock screen and then blurred on the home screen, as well as the decision to not mess around with the notification shade or the app drawer. Also, impressive AI chat assistance for just $350. Don't miss out on this amazing device that brings together style, performance, and affordability. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.